Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. One of the most annoying things when you're busy working is having too many tabs open at the same time. It's easy to get to the end of the day and have a browser that looks like this. Makes me feel stressed just looking at it. And of course, it's impossible to find the web page you were looking at earlier in the day. Some good news then if you use Microsoft's Edge browser. A year ago, they announced a feature called Workspaces, which has just been spotted in a test version. Workspaces lets you group together tabs. You can color code and categorize the groups and open or shut them all with one click. Maybe you'd keep work and personal tabs separate, or create groups for different projects. There's no release date for this feature yet. If you can't wait, Google Chrome has a similar feature called Tab Groups. If you need help finding the right productivity tools for your business, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.